Hi all, welcome to Cook and Fun with Nikita. Today we are going to see how to make Chinese bhel. Chinese bhel is a very popular street food and it won't take much time to make this Chinese bhel. So let's get started. The ingredients that we require for making the Chinese bhel are as follows: boiled noodles, corn flour, cabbage, red chili powder, ginger garlic, capsicum finely chopped, this soya sauce and sauce mixed, mushroom powder, salt and spring onions. So now we will start the recipe. Now we will make the sauce for the Chinese bhel. So first we have added some oil in this vessel. Now we have added ginger garlic to it and we will saute it. Make sure your flame is on high. At this point we will add chili powder to this and we have to reduce the flame because we do not want to burn this mixture. And now we will add mushroom powder. In case you don't have mushroom powder, you can skip this or add MSG instead of this. Now we will add the sauce mixture to this. I have taken 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now at this stage we will add the corn flour and water slurry to this. I have taken around 1 tablespoon of corn flour and continuously stir it. This is the consistency of the sauce that we are looking for. At this point you should switch off the gas. Now we will start the preparation for frying our noodles. We will coat these noodles with little corn flour and salt before frying. Meanwhile, we'll heat oil in the kadai, and this time your flame should be on high because we want the oil to be very hot before dipping the noodles in. Our oil is now heated, so we will add the noodles to it to fry. At this time your flame should be high. You have to fry these noodles till they are crispy. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes to get the golden brown color. At this stage, we will remove the noodles from the kadai. Now we will start making the bhel. Take a bowl for this and add the crushed noodles that we had fried. Now we will add the sauce that we made to this bhel. So I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of this. Now we will add the capsicum to this. Now we will add the cabbage. This is a very important ingredient, don't skip it. Now we will add spring onions. Now give it a good mix. If you feel that the sauce is little less, or if anything is less, you can adjust the consistency or you can adjust this according to your taste. At this stage, I felt that I should add a bit more sauce, so I'm adding tomato ketchup to this. This will enhance the taste. And then again give it a good mix. Now I have transferred this Chinese bhel to a bowl and we will garnish it. Our Chinese bhel is ready now. Enjoy. Please to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also let me know in the comment section what you would like to see next. Thank you.